Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I haven't made a content for my YouTube channel, and I really miss my 200 wonderful subscribers. Okay, the main purpose of this episode, I just can't decide should I go to the gym or not. Well, I think I'm just going to make some flowchart to help my answers. Well, I have prepare the flowchart to save time? Well, before I go to the gym, I usually ask myself, do I have a plenty energy left to have some workout at the gym? Well, if it's the answer is no, I do not have a plenty of energy, I straightforwardly not going to the gym. Well, if I yes, I do have a plenty of energy, I will consider the next step. Is it sunny outside for the weather? If it's sunny enough, yes, I'm going to the gym forwardly. And this is the yes, I do the gym day. And if it's not sunny enough, I will consider if my friend would come to the gym or not. Well, like sometimes it would be handy to have a friend at the gym. If it's they do come to the gym, I probably going to the gym. Well, if they do not come to the gym, neither am I. Well, this is the simple explanation for sim. This is a simple explanation. This is a simple example for a classification problem. This a little model prone to a problem such as a bias and overfitting problem. Well, that's why our hero today, called Random Forest, would come to save the day. Random Forest is one of model in a machine learning that make a bunch of decision trees that can make a prediction for the future. That's why there is a forest word, there is a tree words. We know that a forest is from a lot of trees. Well, why we call it a random forest? That's because the model took a random data set to build the model. Long story short, random forest just are making a bunch of trees to make better opportunities to predict the future. Well, if we have unnecessary trees, perhaps the model would like just ignore the one of the trees and do not have to think about it anymore. So let's talk about the benefits from using the random forest. First of all, reducing bias is the main purpose of having a random forest. Perhaps we input a little bit of bad data that make the model not working properly, and maybe we just see the half of the model instead of seeing it as a full being model. So it's not quite good output. And next, the random forest help us to reduce overfitting problem. The overfitting problem become like sometimes we do not fulfill we don't have a complete data set because it's just mainly from the other G member perhaps, or the other valuable valuable values that we don't have. Overfitting will come to handy because it will help us from the limitation of our data. Okay, let's talk about what we need to make some random forest model. We need to set our number of nodes, number of trees, and number of features. And indeed, we would like it's kind of challenging to think like um, we need more trees to get a better prediction in the future. But I don't think we want um, big memories to work on it and a long time to train it, and we need the model work properly and soon as possible. Well, let's talk about the example in real life user. In a government, random forest usually took a place on a decision maker on a good or a bad policy or effective or ineffectively uh, policy. And in the medical issues, we can use it as the decision maker as the best treatment for the patient due of the fund actually. So the random forest is really, really useful for nowadays data analyst. So what do you think? Do I have a go to the gym? Well, I think because of the flowchart say so. See you at the gym. Goodbye.